Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days today. This is what we're doing this morning. It rained early and we're out here picking our English peas. See Daniel over there? But look at this. They are hanging in here like crazy. See this one plant? Look at this. The rain was perfect on these plants. And they go all the way up to the top of our fence. Some of them way over the fence. Let me show you. These. Each plant just totally covered in English peas. And still blooms on them. Isn't that pretty awesome? Look at this. These are taller than I am, guys. I've got my hand above my head. That's how tall they are. Isn't that pretty awesome? Danny's already got some in the bucket.
Yep.
He started picking. He's only picked about 10 plants, maybe.
Maybe.
If he's even got that many. So, thought I'd show you a little bit of what
That'd be a good canning today.
our English peas are looking like. They're pretty awesome. I'm going to be canning here in a little while. I've been canning. But I've been canning potatoes, turnips, and carrots. Now English peas have kicked in, and then we've got our carrot harvest coming up next 2 or 3 weeks. At least partial harvest anyway. Thank you guys from Crazy Days. We have 6 rows of English peas, and we have a 5-gallon bucket full to be shelled. And guys, look, I've got turnip roots that need to be done. These are for lunch, fresh. But I've got to be canning those too, so we're going to get started shelling our English peas.